Do we need more funding? Absolutely. We need the federal government to set a date early this year, coming up, sometime in January, and nothing should be more important to the Prime Minister than meeting with the 13 premiers. That's the bottom line. And then we can sit down and have a proper discussion. You can't keep running for 2 years away from sitting down with all the premiers. It's just not cutting it. The number one issue in this entire country, from coast to coast to coast, is healthcare. And we can't go it alone. As I'll speak for Ontario, we're increasing the funding at a rate of $5.6 billion this year, $5 billion before. We need the funding for long-term care. We need it for home care. We need it for mental health and addiction. We need it for HHR, health human resources, infrastructure. We need a partner. And when you see backlog surgeries right across this province, when you see an increase in pediatric care at the hospitals, and long-term care, mental health and addiction, everyone's struggling, well, we need a funding partner. And right now, we're getting 22%. These provinces, all the provinces and territories, are paying 78%. It's unacceptable. Sit down, let's work collaboratively together, let's cooperate. We've done it before. I'll give credit to the federal government when it came to EVs, electric vehicles. They were a great funding partner. When it came to funding electric arc furnaces at the Fasco and Algoma, they were a great partner. When it came to childcare, great partner. So let's sit down and cooperate. The people of this country expect it. It doesn't matter what political stripe you come from. They expect us to cooperate and work together. So I'm asking the Prime Minister, set a date. We will put aside our whole schedule, all 13 premiers, to show up to Ottawa and sit down and let's hammer out a deal. I've been Premier for this our second term, 4.5 years. I know Scott Moe as well. We've been sitting around this table. Nothing's happened. It's not that hard to sit down and have a conversation and hammer out a deal. That's what we're asking for.